Hello guys, my name is Pawan Yadav. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we can publish our blog and the article. And this is a 100% high traffic, high valuable website. So I can show you the website. So this is a website name, Live Journal, and I can show you the website domain authority is 93, and the page authority you have to see this guy 99 around, and the spam score is 1%. So now I can show you the which country this website getting traffic. So you have to see this guy. This website category ranking is 7. So this is a very powerful website. Oh, you have to see this guy. Website traffic 71.7 million monthly traffic. This website drawing on a website on a landing page. So you have to analyze where you want to publish your article, where you want to attract your users. So most probably this website working in Russia and the USA. So if you are want to attract users from Russia and the USA, to you have to make sure to you can publish your article in this website. The website name is LiveJournal. So how we can do the first thing? First, you have to sign up on this website. The process is very simple, and after that, you have to upload your profiles. So for the my case, I already completed now. So now we can start. How we can do? How we can publish our article? So I have already generated the content. So now we can start. Post new entry, and after that, the first thing you have to choose your title. So this is our title, and after that you are able to add your banner image. So we can upload. And after that you can upload your content. So I can copy all other contents. The After that what we can do, so we can make some interesting make some headings and the bullets point. So you have to suggest this title on a headings. So I am converting this headings in a S2 tags. So after that what we can do, we can insert one backlink. So there we can, this is our targeted keyword, so where we can add one backlink. So we can consider a home page. So one backlink is inserted. Now the most probably in a one article you have to make sure you can insert one or two or three backlinks. Most probably that would be a great practice. And after that, and we can insert one link in a bottom of the content. Protect your IT support. I guess there is any IT support. IT support. Okay, every package, especially again, Conquest Mobile, we are providing payroll plan and professions. Cyber security, Conquest, loss prevention, special event. The one link we can insert there now. So we are successfully two links are inserted. So and after that, what you have to do, you can tune and publish your article. So you have to see this, guys. Our article is successfully published now, and I can show you in an incognito tab. And the one thing I can clarify you guys, this website can provide no follow backlink, but the good thing is this website having very good traffic source. So you are want to publish your article in a Russia, in a USA, so make sure to you have to publish your article in this website. So if you are watching till end, guys, so thanks for the watching, and I can show you this is a do follow or the no follow. So you have to say this, guys, this is the 100% no follow backlink, but no worry, you can create this is a very authoritative website. So if you're watching till end, guys, so thanks for the watching, and please subscribe my channel. And if you have anything concern for me, so you can drop your thoughts in a comment section. So thanks for the watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel, and bye bye. Take care.